Hello everyone, this is Brad Tallis with CAD Ed. Yep, you heard that right. I've started my own Fusion consulting and training company. While in the CAD industry for over 30 years, it's always been my passion to help other people get their ideas out of their head and onto their screens as quickly and as easily as possible. I've worked with thousands of customers over the years, from toy companies to automotive, manufacturing, and federal aerospace and defense. And for the last 10 years, I was on the Autodesk Fusion team. In fact, a lot of people refer to me as the face of Fusion. One of my favorite things is when people come to me with their problems in Fusion and I can help them get back on track and moving forward. And that's why I started CAD Ed, is to help people like yourself with training, support, and design. So if you have any projects or ideas or problems you're running into, take a look at my webpage and reach out to me. Let's see how I can help you out. I really appreciate everyone's support on this channel. I'm going to continue uploading Fusion videos, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And if you have an idea for an upcoming topic, make sure you drop a comment down below. And now, let's take a look at a quick tip. This week's quick tip is all about the marking menu. In Fusion, if you right mouse click, you'll notice like this blue radar looking kind of a thing. And you can kind of think of this as like a shortcut menu. So for example, if I were to right click and drag straight up, you'll notice it's going to repeat my last command, in this case the line command. If I were to right click and drag to the left, it's going to undo my last command. Or if I right click and drag to the right, it's going to redo my last command. If I were to right click and drag straight down, it will go into this like sub sketch menu, and you can see the radar kind of shows up down here. So for example, at 2 o'clock is the rectangle command, at 6 o'clock is the line command, and at 10 o'clock is the circle command. So what does this all mean? So I'm not in any command whatsoever, so I'm just going to right click and drag straight down, and you'll notice the line command on my cursor, and it's asking for a plane to sketch on, so I'm just going to click on that front plane right there. Now let's say I want to draw a rectangle. So I'm just going to drag down and up to the 2 o'clock position with my right mouse button pressed, and you'll see I'm in the rectangle command. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a quick rectangle. Now I want to draw a line. I'm just going to drag straight down, and I'm in the line command. So I can just quickly draw a couple lines. Maybe I want to draw a circle, so I'm just going to drag straight down and to the 10 o'clock position. And there's my circle command. I'll just draw a quick circle. Maybe I want the line command again, so I'm just going to right click and drag straight down, and I'm in the line command again. So I'm just going to draw a couple quick lines. Now I'm done, so I'm just going to right click and drag to the right, and it did the OK command. And let me show you what's basically happening. I'm just going to right click, and instead of dragging, I just right click. And you can see here is the marking menu. So when I was in the line command and I right clicked and dragged, I basically right clicked and dragged to the OK command. If I were in the line command and if I drag to the left, I'd cancel. So you'll notice I'm in the line command. If I drag to the left, I'm no longer in the line command. If I drag to the left, I just undid those two commands. If I drag to the right, I'm going to redo those commands. I'll go ahead and finish my sketch. Let's right mouse click, and you'll notice the marking menu here at 2 o'clock is press pull. So if I just click and drag to 2 o'clock, I'm in the press pull command, and I could select those regions and run the press pull command. And instead of having to go over here to the OK, I could just right click and drag to the right. So it takes a little bit of practice getting used to which commands are where in the marking menu, but it definitely does speed up instead of having to go to the menus across the top or to the dialogues to the right. Especially with the sketch commands, I use the marking menu quite a bit to get into the sketch commands. Especially like, even right now when I'm not even in a sketch, I'm just going to drag down and go to the left and click on that face, and I'm able to draw a circle, for example, very quickly. Instead of having to create a sketch, click on the face, come to the create menu, click on circle, and then select the circle command. So hopefully you found that tip useful. If you did, make sure you like it and share it with others. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And here's some more recommended videos for you. See you next time.